As a VP of IT applications, it's hard to manage a team and to be in the business. So I'm able to work on more tactical and more strategic projects and be able to hand off some of the different projects to RS Consulting, freeing up my time to work on the business rather than in the business. So I'm Mark Gerch with ICP Group. My title is the VP of IT applications. So I oversee all the software and get to work with all the different consulting agencies. You do like floor coatings, paints, roofing, sealants, adhesives, and spray foam insulation. So a lot of chemical manufacturing, complex formulas, and a lot of distribution challenges as well have met us. As the VP of IT applications, I have the responsibility to ensure that our customers, we have certain service level agreements to the end user in the business to make sure that we have full uptime and we make that so that they can be productive. So with this, as we get new projects, rather than having to go in and hire more people and trying to get them trained on our system, Eris has been with us every step of the way. So we're able to get them into our support system. We can have, based off of our bandwidth, we can take more or less of the support tickets and actually assign them to them. They'll go in and take on those support tickets and get those refined, work directly with our end users that they already have a relationship with, and be able to work through those support tickets. Also, as other projects come up, we'll let them know. We'll meet together as a team and hand specific aspects of those projects over to them. Our end users know them and love to work with them. It makes it so that we can step out and let the project still continue to get done without having to micromanage the project. And they've been able to come in and use their project management skills to ensure that the projects get to the finish line. Because of Eris Consulting, we're able to augment our current expertise. We have a lot of in-house expertise, but being a lean team, we're able to rely on Eris Consulting to come in. And as we bring on more projects, we don't have to worry about bringing in new people for short or long-term projects because Eris Consulting is able to come in and augment our staff and be able to step in and work on those projects as we look to hand things off to them. Rather than being a number, to feel like they're a member of the team. It's been really good to work with them in that aspect. We were able to customize a lot of the Explorer screens within Sage 500. With their expertise, we were able to customize those to the end user's needs. Our end users would have a vision, and we were able to get it from conceptual to fully utilized project with their expertise and their knowledge, especially with their business acumen. They are able to make real-time decisions because of having accurate real-time information. And that's vital in a business like ours, where minor indiscrepancies could cause our organization and our executive team to make bad decisions. It was better to work with RS Consulting because we weren't a number to them. We were like family.